Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money using the AIB Mobile App. First, open the AIB Mobile Banking app and then log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the payments or transfer option. Then tap on the transfer money and choose the account you want to send money from. Next, select the recipient account. If the recipient is new, you'll need to add bank details first. Then enter your amount you want to send and review all the details carefully. Once verified and everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. The payment will then be processed and you may receive a confirmation message in the app. That's how you transfer money using your AIB mobile app. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe for more easy and helpful guides.